Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 things that's going to help you to make consistent sales in your business. Number 4 is the most important, so make sure you watch this entire video. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying on this video. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time here, my name is Kirk Buchanan, and on this channel I teach people how to start and grow their businesses on the internet. So if you want to learn exactly how you can start and grow a business online, then I highly suggest that you get subscribed to my channel, because I'm always putting out great quality content to teach you exactly how to do that. Okay, so let's talk about how to get consistent sales in your business. These 4 strategies that I'm going to be sharing with you right now are the exact strategies that I use in my business to ensure that I get sales every single day. So I'm going to be teaching them to you right now. Okay, so the first thing you have to do in your business to help you to generate consistent sales is to make sure that you treat every single sales transaction and every customer with a high level of respect. So this is extremely important, especially now in this age of social media when news and information travels extremely fast. So this has always been true. Information travels fast, but bad information travels 10 times faster than good information. So the reason why you want to make sure that every single sales transaction conducted by your business is a good one is that leads to reputation. So you're building a really strong reputation when you do this. And with what I just said about information traveling very fast, you want to make sure that every single person that you do business with have a good thing to say about your business. This is going to go a very far way, because if there's a bad experience from one of your customers and they actually share that experience with other people, that news will actually spread extremely fast, and this can significantly impact your business and actually kill your sales. So you want to make sure that customer service is extremely important to you and to your business, and that you take it extremely seriously and treat every experience, every sales transaction with a high level of respect. This is going to build a very strong reputation and help you to have a really strong brand in a couple of years. The second thing to do to ensure that you generate consistent sales in your business is to never stop marketing. A very big mistake, once again, that I've seen a lot of small businesses make, once they start to generate a few sales consistently each day, they tend to cut back on their marketing spend, and some businesses even go as far as eliminating marketing altogether. This is a big no-no. If you eliminate marketing from your small business, you're basically killing your small business. So once again, there are so many different options available in the market. You are not the only business providing the product or service that you are providing. So you have to be mindful of that. So in order for you to generate sales, you have to be top of mind of the consumer. And if you're not marketing your business, your competitors are going to outmarket you, and they're going to be top of mind of the consumer, hence they're going to generate the sales. So you want to make sure that you have a marketing plan and that you market your business consistently. And this doesn't mean that you have to spend a ton of money on marketing. There are so many different ways that you could market your business for free creatively. So you could do social media marketing and use the right hashtags to get found. You could write articles, you could do blogging, you could create content. There are so many different ways to market your business, but you have to keep marketing. You have to keep your business at the top of mind of your target audience if you want to generate consistent sales. Something I want to add that's going to help you to generate consistent sales as well as it relates to marketing your business is that there is a general rule of thumb that you need to reinvest at least 5% of your gross revenue back into marketing your business. When this is done religiously, it definitely reaps good results. Tip number 3 that's going to help you to generate consistent sales in your business is to make sure that you have a properly optimized sales funnel for your business. So if you're a beginner, I highly recommend you pay extremely close attention in this section, because this is where most beginners are extremely subpar with their business. So a sales funnel, to put it very simply, is basically just a process through which you take your prospects to convert them into paying customers. So a sales funnel will look something like this. It will create awareness around your brand. It will pique interest in your prospects. It will get them to actually make a decision, and finally get them to take action, which is ultimately to buy your product. So you want to make sure that you have your systems in place to do exactly what this sales funnel is set out to do. So to apply this sales funnel concept to your Shopify business to ensure that you get the best possible results and generate consistent sales, you have to make sure that you get a few things right. You have to get your targeting right when you're running ads, because this is how you're going to create awareness, and you want to make sure you are creating awareness to people who are interested in learning about that product or service that you're advertising. You also want to make sure that your creative is amazing, because this is how you get people interested once again and create that awareness. And also, don't neglect your copywriting. This is also extremely important to help you to actually create interest in your brand, in your product. The next thing you have to focus on as well is your Instagram feed. So people will judge you and your business based on your Instagram feed. So you have to make sure that that is properly optimized as well. And it's very easy to optimize your Instagram feed. You want to make sure that you have a good Instagram bio and that you have really cool images on your Instagram feed to make it look really good. And finally, you have to make sure that your website is properly optimized. It has to be optimized for conversions. So this means you have to have really good images on your website. Once again, it has to be easily navigatable, and you have to have good product descriptions and some other things that you can actually add to your website to spruce it up and to actually give it that feel of premium. So that is how you optimize your Shopify business using the sales funnel concept. Before I share the most important thing you must know if you want to start generating consistent sales in your business, I do want to say thank you for watching the video so far. And if you really want to get into starting your own private label brand and business, I highly recommend that you check out my group, my membership group, because in that group, I have a lot of information and a lot of templates and tools to help you to launch your business in record time. So make sure you check the link in the video description. Okay, so the fifth and the final thing that you have to do if you want to start generating consistent sales in your business is to learn the art of selling and persuasion. So this is not something that every single person wants to do. No one wants to sell. But if you actually really want your business to grow, you have to learn how to sell, especially selling on the internet. Okay, so I'm not going to be teaching you everything I know about selling in this video, as that would just make this video way too long. But selling is really just persuasion. You're trying to persuade someone to take a specific action. And persuasion has been studied extensively over and over and over again. However, one of my favorite books on this topic is Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert Cialdini. And I highly recommend that if you want to learn exactly how to persuade people, that you should read that book from front to back. In that book, he basically laid out 6 core principles that get people to say yes. And if you learn and understand exactly what these are and apply it in your business, you would have mastered the art of selling. So basically, I'm just going to be repeating these for you, but I'm not going to be going into detail as to what they mean, but I highly recommend you look them up and read the book. And these are reciprocity, scarcity, authenticity, consistency, liking, and consensus. And those are the 6 core principles that you need to know about selling. And if you master these 6 principles, you would have mastered the art of selling. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Those are the 4 things you need to start focusing on if you want to start generating consistent sales in your business. I really do hope you found a lot of value in this video. And if you did, let me know by dropping a like on this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and get subscribed to my channel, because I'm always putting out great content to help you to grow your business. With that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.